It's like totally hello there. It's like total. It's like today I'm gonna be doing picking with him, man. It's like total hello. I'm $3. I'm hoping to get someone good. If I don't get someone good, who did that say? Not very good, not very good. OMG. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, did I just get the Olympiacos away kit? I'm just totally gonna install that in my club. That's just brilliant. You see, I support Olympiacos, so it's big kid thing for me, man. It's like, hello. Oh, come on, Chamberlain, give me someone good. Come on, Chamberlain. Come on, Chamberlain. Dardiok. Dardiok. Thanks. I seem to be getting quite lucky in packs today. I get very good players. Don't know why I'm starting that. Oh my god, it's Inter Milan home kit. I'm gonna make that my active kit. Totally OMG. And quick discard the rest. Not very good, not very good. Hopefully I can get better back now. Oh, it's Joe Hart. Give me someone good, Joe Hart. Yes, Joe Hart, you need to give me someone good. Yes, you got it. Chico! Swansea! Hello, Chico! Chico! Why are you taking so long? I'm sorry about this. It's just like loading totally. Oh, is the squad training over there? Oh my god, totally. Just hurry up. Oh my god, I failed to add item into my club. What's happening? Totally OMG, man.